Story of Nurse Julie. Agamemnon wants revenge on Nurse Julie and Lena. Lena is always jealous of Lana, so I deserve Lana because Lena is the best. So Agamemnon wants revenge on Lana, and in the April Fool's update, Lana was disappearing on her nail salon. It's in the forest. You'll see doppelganger Lana, and there is 3 chapters you need to finish in the forest to save Lana, and you'll get the dress. And so this is the story of Nurse Julie now. Nurse Julie wanted to first become a doctor. Agamemnon wants revenge. So Agamemnon stabbed her one eye over here. And Nurse Julie Agamemnon kidnapped Nurse Julie on her outfits. Agamemnon locks the door and she covers her mouth, and Agamemnon once allowed to eat the apple in Nurse Julie. So Nurse Julie ate the apple. She is feeling a monster. That's why her voice, and you know that black thing in herself, that is Agamemnon Agamemnon is trying to guard her. So that's why of Story of Nurse Julie. Bye guys.